Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, I'm actually recording myself right now on an Osmo Pocket with a Lume Cube Air attached to my phone for the lighting. So all this lighting effect that you see here, a lot of it's coming from the Lume Cube Air. Watch this. I'm going to bring it into another camera. There it is. You see it? So there's my Osmo Pocket, and there's the Lume Cube Air right here. Looks pretty cool. And yes, it actually attaches to my phone because it's magnetic, and for some reason my phone, even through the case, I just pluck it there, pull it off, and it's the same thing. It just goes, sticks on magnetically. It's pretty cool. Now, the great thing about this Lume Cube is that, well, you're going to win one. So I'm just going to take off the diffuser. And if you won one, what would you do with it? Well, you're going to use it for photography, or let me just turn this off. You're going to attach it to your, well, I've got it going too bright. Hang on a sec. There we go. Or you're going to fly it on a drone because it's pretty cool. You've seen my video of me flying with Lume Cubes and doing some pretty cool photography. And if you haven't, I'll put a link to it below. But these things here, well, there's the website back there. These things are pretty cool, and if you have a GoPro, check this out. So this is like a professional vlogging setup right here. You can see it's massively bright. So I've got a GoPro Hero 7 inside an aluminum case. I have the Lume Cube Air on the side, and I have a Rode microphone right here. And let me just shut this off so I can show you it closer. There we go. And yeah, basically that's it. You can vlog with this sort of thing. It's pretty sweet. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning, you're going to win one yourself. Well, hopefully one of you wins one, and Trevor at Lume Cube is going to mail it direct to you. Now, I'm going to show you an unboxing of the Lume Cube Air compared to the original Lume Cube, which you've seen in videos that I've done before, and show you how cool it is. So check this out. Today I received this package from Trevor at Lume Cube, and inside what he sent me was a set of mounts for a Mavic 2 Zoom or a Mavic 2 Pro, so you can attach Lume Cubes. I already have a couple of Lume Cubes here, but there's a new product out that he sent me here, the Lume Cube Air. Now check this out. These guys at Lume Cube, they're a very small group of people, but man, are they good at marketing. Check this out. Look at this. It opens like this, the box. You know, like a lot of people could take some pointers from them. Right here, they list everything that's in the box. Then they tell you all the specs right there. Then over here, you get your Lume Cube Air plus a few filters. And if I flip this over on the back to give you some examples of what you can do with it, it is extremely bright. And you know, this Lume Cube, for a guy like me who is a photographer, this white balance on here is the perfect white balance for photography. It's pretty much neutral, so it's like at around 5700K. And they're magnetic, you can attach it to anything. Plus they have a tripod mount, and they have many different light settings and all sorts of features. And the most important thing is they're Bluetooth. You can attach them to your cell phone and use an app and do all sorts of things remotely with them. So let's check this out really quick. It is pretty thin. Look at this. Here's pretty much the original ones. Look at the thickness on that. There you go. You can see there's a huge difference on everything. On the bottom, you have a spot that you can attach a tripod. And if we look around the side right here, this is where you charge it. Let me just pull that the right way. There we go. It opens up. Plug your little USB there and it charges up. Close that. That keeps it waterproof. Go this way, and that's your power button to turn it on. Over here, there's nothing. So if I push this, we should get light, and we have light. And then of course I'm not gonna kill the camera. Just put my hand here. You can see it's pretty bright, and I can make it brighter and brighter, and then I can shut her down, and it's quite light. And here's a piece of metal. So let's see. It is magnetic. It just slides around there, but there you go. And for photographers, they include a nice little light filter. You can put this on, so it's like a diffuser. It will diffuse the light when it goes really bright, so you don't get people with a big glare in their eyes. And if you want to warm up a subject, you put this one on. This one will warm up the subject. They also have an app for Android and iPhone. So I can turn it on right here. There it's on. I'm doing it with the app. Oop, that's probably too bright. Off. I can set the brightness. If I turn it on, I can go down, or I can crank it way up. And I can put here flash duration. Let's see, it says constant flash, constant strobe. So there, I got it on strobe. I don't know why I'd want to do that. Maybe I have an emergency. Let's go strobe 2 and constant, and I got it back on flash, so I can use it with a camera. And I got Redeye Reduction right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm probably blinding the camera. I can turn that on or off for when the strobe goes. And then what you do is, let me just go back. There you go. There's my little phone, and the camera's on, and I can take a picture, and this thing will then flash with it. I want to light up that piece of metal down there, and if I take a picture, There you go. You saw the light go? No, watch here. I'll show it this way. So look at the camera. Say cheese. Here we go. There we go. And that's your picture. That's how you can do it. And it works with a GoPro as well. All right, so now you want your own, right? Well, this here LumeCube Air can be yours. Well, not this one here, but you're going to get your own. So all you have to do, see that website behind me? Well, I've linked it below. Right under this video, I have a link to a particular website on the LumeCube web. They have different pages on the LumeCube website. So I have it linked to a certain page, and I'm going to ask a question about that page. So you have to visit the page to actually see something on the page and answer the question. And all you do is you post a comment below with the answer, and that's it. And I'm randomly going to pick a winner in 1 week's time, and whoever I pick, you'll see yourself in a little video, and you'll have one of these shipped to you, and you'll get it sometime in January. So everybody, good luck, and thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next video with the LumeCube announcing the winner. All right, take care.